Backstage at the Artruce Cafe today, it's Raggle Taggle Gypsy. There was 3 of them gypsies outside our hall door, leaking brave and boldly, oh. One sang high and the other sang low, and the lady sang a Raggle Taggle Gypsy, oh. Upstairs, downstairs the lady ran. She took off her fine silk clothes. She put on her dress of leather, oh, and the cry through the hall was, she's off and away with the gypsy, oh. Late that night the Lord came in, inquiring of his lady, oh. The servant girls went from hand to hand, said she's off and away with the gypsy man. Then saddle up my milk white steed, the bay one, she is not so speedy, oh. Tonight we'll ride and I'll find my bride, who's off and away with the gypsy, oh. He ran to the east and he ran to the west. He rode to the north and the southwest, until he came to the wide open sea. It was there that he spied his fine lady. Last night you had your fine feather bed, with sheets that fold so snugly, oh. Tonight you'll lie in a cold dark field with your raggle taggle giggle gaggle gypsy, oh. Oh, what do I care for my fine feather bed, with sheets that fold so snugly, oh. Tonight I'll lie in a wide open field with me raggle taggle jiggle jaggle gypsy, oh. Oh, are you forsaken your house and land? Are you forsaken your money, oh? Are you forsaken your fine wedded lord? And you're off and away with the gypsy, oh. Oh, what do I care for me house or land? What do I care for me money, oh? What do I care for my fine wedded lord? I'm off and away with the gypsy band. Ah, you rode high and I rode low, you the woods and valley, oh. But I'd rather have a kiss from the other gypsy's lips than all the caches of me lordy, oh. Than all the caches of me lordy, oh.